We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like caught in a midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. So in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like caught in a midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let?
So hey YouTube, it's Daphne Janelle, and today I'm coming at you with another shopping haul. Today I'm going to be featuring both IKEA and at home. So part of my Mother's Day gift was a trip to Chicago, which is it's a 2.5 hour drive for me. And I got to go to IKEA for the first time in about maybe 2 to 3 years. And then also another one of my favorite home stores, at home. So we're going to go ahead and start this video off with the first portion, which is going to be the items that I purchased from IKEA. So for reference, I'll be referencing the prices from the receipt today, just so I can give you guys accurate prices, okay? So I want to go ahead. We'll start off with the pillows that I got. I purchased feather down pillow inserts. I got 2 of the 26 by 26 pillows from IKEA, and these were $13.99 a piece. And again, the feather down pillows are the ones that give you the karate chop for your decor accent pillows. Next, we'll go ahead and show you the covers. So next, we'll go ahead and show you the covers for those pillows. I got 2 of these cream pillow covers, and these were $9.99 for the 26 by 26 covers. And then I also bought these again in a yellow gold color. And this is the 20 by 20 covers for the pillow inserts that I have already. These were $4.99. The 26 by 26 covers were $9.99 each. So next, I got this cute yellow gold throw blankets. I have several throw blankets. I have cream, I have green, I have blue. Don't have gold, so I went ahead and picked this one up. And the throw blanket was $9.99 at IKEA. Behind me here, I did get 2 of the Trone's shoe cabinets. They come in a 2-pack for $39.99, so I purchased 2 of them to give me 4 total shoe cabinets. And I will be posting a video soon of me redecorating my entryway, so you will see these featured in that video coming soon. So stay tuned, okay? Next, here behind me, I also purchased 2 of the IKEA Sandberg chairs. These chairs I found in the clearance section, and these were only $9.99 a piece. I got 2 of these chairs to use in my kitchen nook area that will also be getting renovated shortly. So stay tuned again for that video. Next here, I did pick up some glassware because my family and I are in the process of converting all of our like plastic Tupperware and things into glassware. And so I got these. These were $2.49 for the glass jars. And then IKEA also sells the lids separately because they offer different kinds of lids. They offer like this snap grid lock one that I purchased here for 75 cents. But they also offer like a bamboo lid if that's kind of the aesthetic that you're going for. They offer that as well for these glass containers. But I got 2 of these, $2.50 for the container and 75 cents for the snap grid lid. And then with these, I purchased mini versions of that same container. And this comes with a set of 3 with the lids. And I got this for about $5 at IKEA. Next here, I grabbed this pretty decor tray. Looks like a sunburst design. And then this was $9.99. And please, if you can hear my children in the background, excuse me. I tried to record this video once already, but I recorded it in vertical instead of landscape. So here we are. Next, I purchased, I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with pot rails, but it's pretty big in home decor right now. And IKEA was selling the pot rails. I got the pot rails for $9 each, and I got 2 of the small versions in the brass color. And then they also offer, show you. Now, I have been pricing these out for a while on Amazon and at Target because the Magnolia, is it Magnolia Homes? Yes. Anyways, yeah, it's Magnolia. Joanna Gaines' line at Target. She offer these as well, but they're quite expensive. So I was happy to get 2 for $9 a piece. And then also, to go with the pot rails, I have the S hooks. And I got 2 packages of these. And these are I like these S hooks compared to others that I've seen because these are very thick and can hold some weight from what, well, they look like they can. I don't really know that to be true, but I think they'll be able to hold a nice amount of weight. So we got 2 of those. Those were $5 each. And then also to go with the pot rails, I grabbed 2 of these containers. IKEA offers like a whole line of attachment pieces to go on their rails. But these, I bought these. I'm thinking that my flatware, my holiday flatware is going to go into these containers because I don't have the space to put them somewhere basically where my kids won't use them when they run out of normal flatware. So I think I will store my holiday flatware in these containers. But again, stay tuned for that video as well. And the containers, I think they went for about, it was $6.99 each for the containers. Moving on, I grabbed these two bronzy pot, not pot holders, planters. These two planters, and these were $1.50 each. They're small, but they're cute. Plan to put little small plants in these. And speaking of small plants, I have been dying to get my hands on one of these viral IKEA artificial plants. So I did pick this up. This was $6.99, and they have several different styles of this hanging plant, but I picked up the eucalyptus with that lighter green color. So I was very excited to get my hands on one of these. And then just so you can see the vision, the plants, the plant holder. That'll look cute on like a floating shelf somewhere throughout the house. Okay, moving on. I picked up this art easel from my daughter. Make sure my mic is still on. Okay. So I picked up this art easel from my 4-year-old daughter, and I liked it because she can actually store like her paper and her coloring utensils in here. And then when she wants to draw, she can lift the easel up and use it to draw on as well. So I picked this up. This was $19.99 at IKEA. And then I also grabbed her some colored pencils, and it comes with a sharpener here, and it also comes with just this one random paintbrush. All right, so moving on. This is one of the viral IKEA finds as well. This is the Antelope. Is it Antelope? Let me check. Antelope. This is the Antelope high chair. It retails all in all for about $20. Funny story, I had started purchasing pieces of this high chair for my 4-year-old, so about 3 years ago, during COVID. But however, this was so sold out. When I shopped at IKEA that time, I was unable to get all of the pieces to complete the set. So when we went yesterday, I was able to get the seat, as well as the legs, because everything at IKEA, if you know, you know, everything's sold separately. So I got the seat, the legs, and then I had already had purchased, I have the seat cover, the insert for the seat cover, and then the top. So happy to get that completed after about 4 years later, but it is what it is. And then moving on from that, oh, I got this is a floating picture ledge shelf. This is called the Moslanda. And this does come in 2 sizes. However, I purchased the smallest size. And I believe this is going to go in my entryway as well. So, see that later. Okay, so moving right along, I purchased these 2 black stools, if you will. These were $4.99 each, and I purchased these to use them as plant stands outside in my summer decor on my deck. Those were $4.99 a piece, if I didn't already say that. And then this ledge shelf, I didn't tell you the price. I believe this ledge shelf was about maybe $14, $15. Let me check the receipt though, because I want to make sure I'm giving you guys the right prices. So the Mossland, $7.99. See, yep. The Moslanda picture ledge was only $7.99. So I stand corrected on that. And then let's go ahead and move into some other decor. This, if you had to ask me my favorite find from IKEA yesterday, it would be this vase. This is a newer vase. Yellow. I mean, what does it look like to you guys? Because to me, it's giving beehive. And I love it. I fell in love with it. They also offer this vase in a tall, slim version. And it comes in this orange color. So if you can imagine this vase, slimmer and orange. But I picked up this vase. This vase was $20. I do remember that. I love it. I'm not exactly sure where I'm going to put it, but most of my summer decor is going to be featuring yellow as the accent color. So I'll find a home for it somewhere. And then since you already saw these, every time I go to IKEA, I leave with a candle. It never fails. So this time I left with seven candles. So I picked up 2 of the pillar candles in this pretty orange color. When I saw it, I was automatically thinking like fall and Halloween vibes. So I got 2 of those. Next, I picked up these pillar candles in this pretty summer yellow color again. And then lastly, I picked up these 2 green smaller pillar candles because they were on sale for 99 cents. And if you can see here, my couch is this exact color. So, I plan to use them probably for around Christmas time, but most of my home decor in my kitchen, my dining and living room is this color. So I can definitely find a home for them. Okay, so that completes the candles complete the IKEA portion of this haul. So next, see. All in all, we spent $357 at IKEA. Please stay tuned for the home renovations to come. More decor videos, summer decor videos are on the way. Yeah, just stay tuned. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.